unprofessional chef.
Hello friends, today I am going to make Arabic malbon or noga. Ingredients and descriptions are stated down below. Please, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Malbon or noga are quite famous in Jordan and they are very easy to make. We need to have some dried fruits and nuts, such as dried plums 100 grams, dried figs 100 grams, dried cranberries 100 grams, dried apricots 100 grams, walnuts 50 grams, cashews 50 grams, almonds 50 grams, pumpkin seeds 50 grams, sesame seeds 50 grams, pistachios 50 grams. Now, I will cut the dried fruits into small pieces. Let's start with the dried plums. Dried plums are healthy and nutritious food that offer a variety of health benefits. They are a good source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Press on setting to activate translation into your language. Then, the dried figs. Dried figs are packed with vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, potassium, and iron. These nutrients help to boost the immune system and protect the body from disease. I cut them into smaller pieces in order to blend easily with the mixture. And the apricots as well. And of course, you can add any kind of dried fruits instead, as desired. Dried apricots contain antioxidants, which can help to protect the cells from damage. Antioxidants may also help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and stroke. Finally, the cranberries. Energy food is a great way to get a quick boost of energy before a workout, hike, or any other activity. It is also a good option for a healthy snack on the go. Now, prepare the frying pan on medium-low heat. We need to roast some of the nuts that we have. You can buy roasted nuts from the local market. Here, I have added the pumpkin seeds, cashews, and the almonds. You can add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to even the heat. Roasting nuts can be done using microwave, air fryer, and oven. For even toasting, keep stirring or tossing nuts and seeds continuously. This might take between 5 to 8 minutes, depending on the nut sizes. Once they become golden brown, put aside to cool down. Melt 150 grams of butter in a medium-sized saucepan. Once the butter starts to boil, add a pack of marshmallows 300 grams. Keep stirring until completely melted. At this point, turn off the heat. Add the chopped dried fruits. Mix them together, as shown in the video. Next, add all the roasted nuts. I would appreciate it so much if you could subscribe to my channel. Mix the ingredient very well. Continue mixing until all ingredients are sticky together. Place the mixture on a large piece of butter paper so we can form a cylindrical shape. Therefore, it would be easier to divide into pieces. Now, we fold the paper gently to make the roll. Using both hands, pressing on the middle, and moving them apart. Once you reach the proper size, wrap it properly and put in the fridge for at least 2 hours. After a couple of hours' time, it looks nice and firm. Peel off the butter paper and divide it into the desired size. Cut it into equal pieces according to your own desire. Friends, please write in the comments below what you think of this snack. Nutritious, delicious, healthy, easy, and it can be modified to one's personal preferences. By eating a good mixture of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, you increase the overall health of your body. I don't recommend this recipe to people with dentures. My dear valuable friends, thank you so much for watching. Bon appetit!